Samba in easy and simple way. Here we go, how to do it. So first we start with the step forward. 1, and then we have a little bit elevation with slight hip raise. 2. Then we go back. 1, 2. So very bouncing, easy step. Back, together, front, together. Back, together, front, together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now how can we develop this step? Instead of going forward and back, we can go side to side. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go side together change, side together change, side together change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next we can go side, and then we have a cross step. Cross together.